Hello comrades, today I will show you how to make a scrambled egg, all the way from clean counter to finished egg. First, to clean counter, you'll need paper towel. Paper towel is easy to acquire. You go to grocery store, you put it in pocket, you leave grocery store. Now, for paper towel to work, you need water or spray bottle. I do not know where spray bottle is, so I use water. You get water, you turn sink on. Put paper towel under water. Now you have wet paper towel. Wipe counter until there is no mess on the counter. Otherwise, you might get chocolate in your scrambled egg. This might be what you want, but I suggest to not. Once you have wiped down counter, throw disgusting towel in disgusting can. To make scrambled egg, you'll need many things, such as egg. Where's egg? Ah, I see the egg. Sometimes egg is in back of fridge. You need to look for it, but you will find egg. Type of egg does not matter as long as it is chicken egg, not ovary egg, Grace. Next you need bowl. Bowl is easy to find. It is in cabinet. If you do not have bowl, you are retarded. You cannot make egg. Dishes should be clean. Only the dishes that you are going to use, such as bowl, whisk, and pan. Sometimes it is hard to find dishes, but you will find it. Wait, no, don't use bowl. Bowl is bad idea. Bowl is big and hard to clean. Put bowl back, because you are stupid and you listen to me when you get the bowl. No, do not use bowl. Instead, use big measuring cup. Why big measuring cup, you ask? One, you can tell how many eggs you have. And two, it is much easier to pour. Now, you need pan. I suggest you use small pan, such as this. You just put it on stove. Ignore other dishes. Oh, that is bad lighting. 1 second, comments. Microwave light is off. This is a sad day. Now, some people, if you're not lactose intolerant, you may add milk. You may add milk to your scrambled eggs. Something that I personally like to do, and many others like to do, is add salt and pepper to egg. Salt and pepper is good for egg. Last thing that you need is spatula. Now, spatula is used for egg inside the in the pan. I cannot find a good spatula at the moment, so I will use. That is not good spatula. I need spatula. I will use this spatula. This spatula I do not recommend. If you have normal spatula, use the normal spatula. But this spatula does make very good noise. Listen to that. That is very pleasant. Now, when making egg, how do I set this up? That's good. That is good. When making egg, first thing you want to do is decide how many eggs you use. I have 2 eggs because I am one person. One person does not need many eggs. If you're making eggs for 5 people, you may need more eggs. But 2 eggs is enough eggs for now. So you crack it. Oh, sorry comrades, I forgot. Most important part of making egg is wash hands. Now wash hands is easy to do. You turn water on, you rinse your hands, put soap on your hands, you scrub your hands to make sure soap gets all over your hands, and then you wash your hands. Rinse this soap off. It is easy. Make sure to dry your hands off with towel, or else you will get water on your eggs. This may sound like it is not bad, since the egg is water, but trust me, it is very bad. Now, after you have sufficiently washed your hands so that you do not get the coronavirus, you crack egg on side of bowl. You pour it in, just like that. You take other egg, you pour it in the bowl, just like last egg. Now at this point you may have egg goop on your hands. You do not want egg goop on your hands when touch something else, or you will get salmon vanilla. So you wash off your hands in sink again. You do not need soap as much this time, but you still need soap. Once again, dry your hands off. You do not want water on your eggs. Next, you take your milk, you uncap the milk, and you start stirring your eggs. As you stir your eggs, you pour a little bit of milk in. Not too much though, this is just to add fluff to milk. To egg, I mean. I am sorry for that, I am retarded. Now this egg, it seems like it may have a little too much milk. Do not worry, that is fine. Next, pour in some salt. While stirring. Sorry comrades, I had to run. The KGB is after me. Right now I'm hiding in shade, as you can see. It's very cold outside, but I believe that they may have left. I think that plane is looking for me at the moment, so I will stay in here until it is safe to leave. But as for the scrambled egg instructions, after the salt, you add the pepper. You cannot stir while adding the pepper, as you have to use the grinder to grind the pepper. But make sure to stir after you grind the pepper into the eggs. If you do not stir, it will not be evenly spread out and it will not taste as good, as some parts will be peppery and others will have no pepper. After you add the pepper, remember to turn the stove on and stir a little bit more to make sure that everything is nice and stirred. Then pour the eggs into the heated pan. For the first 45 seconds to a minute, you may be able to put away your ingredients, maybe fill your bowl with water. You will not be able to wash it thoroughly, so I do not recommend trying to. After a minute or so, the eggs will start getting hard. Remember to stir the eggs. If you do not stir the eggs, they will all get stuck to pan. If the egg is stuck on pan, it is very hard to remove it. So remember to stir the egg very well. If you do not stir the egg well, as I say, you will get not only will you get less egg, but you will also... The fuck is that noise? Okay, if you get less egg, you will go hungry. Do not go hungry. You will also use energy on egg, from eating egg, on cleaning egg, so do not forget to stir. That is very important. You might ruin one of your pans. After your eggs have lost all liquid, pour them onto a plate, let them cool for a couple of seconds, and then dig in. You may want to add ketchup to your egg, or extra salt or pepper, and you can do that.
There's nothing that stops you from doing that. Remember to like the channel, subscribe to the video, favorite the video, and leave a comment on this video saying how good the eggs were. I did not get to taste them because I was interrupted by KGB. I will see you next time, comrades. Goodbye.